Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet beautiful rose flower. So for this project I am using 4 mm crochet hook and 4-ply yarn. You can use this rose in baby's hat or baby sweater or in any blanket. So let's get started. At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So here is 31 chain. Now make more 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make 1 double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. Skip 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make double crochet in the 6th chain. This is the first. Then skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. Make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So we have made a V stitch. Then again skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Again skip 2 chain. Make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Then make 1 double crochet in the same space, same chain stitch. So we have to make a V stitch like this. So the pattern is skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. Then make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. And then make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So first we have to make a V stitch and have to left the space. So continue up to end. Now in the last skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So we have completed all the V stitches. So now make the petals. So for this make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Turn the work. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. So now make 5 double crochet in this 3 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is total 6 double crochet. Now make single crochet in this gap. Now make 6 double crochet in the next V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make single crochet in the gap. So we have made first 6 double crochet in 2 V stitch. So in the next V stitch we have to 8 double crochet until here, and in the last 2 gap we will make 10 double crochet. So first make 8 double crochet in each V stitch up to these 2 left. So make 8 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. Again make 8 double crochet in this V stitch, in this chain gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. So continue 8 double crochet in each V stitch. Now we have completed 8 double crochet, and in this last 2 V stitch we will make 10 double crochet. So let's make it. So make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make single crochet in this gap. Then in this last V stitch make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now in the last give a knot, pull the yarn, leave the yarn little bit long and cut the extra yarn. Now fold the petals like this to make the rose. Now turn the work and secure the rose with needle. This is the flower. Thanks for watching.